Well, first, you'd remember that we first filed the request for the issuance of subpoena for these documents. And then the parties were directed to submit their respective memoranda. No? So doon ho tinatalakay kung ano yung mga kanya-kanyang legal arguments and positions namin dito. At minabuti na din ng impeachment court na iset din ito for all our arguments. No? And I think magiging purpose nito mainly is, aside from hearing the parties articulate their arguments in support of their position, gusto din nilang magkaroon ng pagkakataon yung mga senator judges na matanong ng diretso yung mga parties ukol sa bagay na to. Ngayon, that's a good question. Bakit natin pinag-uusapan na ito kung itong mga dokumentong ito ay relevant pa with respect to the unexplained wealth na based on the order of presentation of evidence, pinakahuli pa naman yan. Pero minabuti na ho kasi namin na mas maaga humingi na ng subpoena para sa documents na to para ho masigurado nating hindi makapag-cause ng delay yung usapin ho dito. No? Because we already anticipated it. Again, they will probably try to block it, which is exactly what they're trying to do now. Kaya we already asked for their issuance in advance para tuloy-tuloy na ho yung pagpresenta namin ng ebidensya pag nandun na tayo sa unexplained wealth.